Hello WordPress enthusiasts and welcome to our channel. My name is Robert and in this video I will test a pretty new way to convert your WordPress blog into a mobile app by using the world's first AI-powered mobile app builder. App My Site is a web-based software that uses AI to give you an effortless way to build a native Android or iOS app for your WordPress blog, website, or even for your online store powered by WooCommerce. To do that, go to appmysite.com, link in the description box, then click Get Started for free. Choose the plan that's right for you and move forward. As you can see, there are 3 pricing plans on the next page, and I will pick the free plan that will allow me only to preview the app, which is just fine for now. Fill up all the details in these fields carefully, starting with your name, and then type in your email address below. I am the website owner, so I will select the first choice in this drop-down, but you can select freelance developer or website development company. Type in a strong password and confirm that you are not a robot by checking this box. Wait until the green checkmark appears and then click Register below. If your password is not strong enough, you will get this message and you need to add more alphanumeric characters. Now that you finally have a strong password, click Register and you will be redirected to the welcome page where you can start building your app. So, click Build App and on the next page, enter details like your website address, which should start with HTTPS, then www, or simply enter your domain name. My blog is coolgadgetsfit.com, which is built on the WordPress CMS platform, so I'll stay with the default selection in this dropdown. What type of website is it? Blog, as I already mentioned, without WooCommerce. So I pick blog in this dropdown and then click Build App below. I think I can change these settings later in my account if needed. The brand name of my blog is Cool Gadgets Fit, obviously, but it seems that the number of characters is limited, so I will stay with the first 2 words. On the next page, I need to select an app icon made out of text and color settings, or I can upload a logo as well. I would like to use my logo, so let's click Upload over here and pick the square logo made for my Facebook page. Select the image, click Open, crop, and save, and I'm done. This is how the logo will look on a mobile device, so if you are satisfied, click Next. It's time to design my launch screen, which is the first screen my app users will see after they click on the app icon. The same thing over here. I can select a background image or text over color. If you click Select Background Image, you can search related images in the media library or upload your own image. I will stay with text over color for now and click Next. This is the Login and Sign Up screen, where I would like to select a background image related to gadgets in the library, so I will type in gadgets over here, then click on Search. I think this image looks very well, so click on the image to select it and then click Done. Looking good. I would like to change the text color to orange. Yeah, it looks great, and the background of the button too. The color of the text is better to be white, I guess. Then I click Next. Here is the screen where I need to style my mobile app layout, which will change the way my top header and footer button look. I want to change only the primary color over here to orange and my button color to black. Or maybe opposite, with the button text color as black. Looks better, right? Click Next. Then I need to select and design sections for my app home screen. I can turn on and off the blog banner and other things below. And I can turn off my pages, for example. Whenever you feel ready, click Next and you're done. Before verifying the app, I need to install the App My Site plugin on my WordPress website. When I click on Take Me There, it will bring me right into the dashboard of the website I choose in the first step. So I don't need to go through the long process of downloading and then uploading it to my website or search for it in the plugin repository. Let me log in first and then click Take Me There. As you can see, it will open the plugins page in search results on my dashboard, and I can click Install Now and then activate it right here. Now that the plugin is active, I can go back to appmysite.com and click on Verify. Now I can go ahead and create the menu and change other things as well. I can choose to create a custom menu, or I can use the one active on my website, the primary menu, for example. Then I need to click Next, and if everything is set up correctly, it should go straight to the welcome screen of my app. This is my app preview, which, to be honest, is a little bit boring. I can check the connectivity at any time by accessing this menu in my account. It should show up these green check marks if everything is connected and working well. I can modify my app settings over here, and I can use the username of my brand's social media accounts to integrate them with my app. Let me go back to Appearance settings and change the background of my launch screen. To do that, I will select an image from the media library, so I'll search for gadgets and pick the same image as the one on my login and sign up screen. Yeah, it looks much better now, but I recommend using your own images. Feel free to change some settings below or upload a custom logo, then click Save and you're good to go. To test my app on a real device, I need to go to App Preview and click on this button. I think it's great that I can publish it on Google Play and in the iOS App Store easily by clicking on this button, and then I just need to pick the platform I want. Let's go back to the preview for now and see the demo of my WordPress blog converted into a mobile app. Just click Sign in with these credentials and it will open the home page. I can see the blog categories on top of my recent blog posts, and if I navigate to the first category, it will open all of my blog posts in that category. Well, I only have 2 blog posts for now, so this is it. Let's check out the full blog post. It looks like the images are not resized automatically to fit the screen, and I have no idea if this is just a preview bug or it could be something wrong with the app or my blog is broken. Let me open the same blog in Chrome and shrink down the window. As you can see, my blog is 100% mobile responsive, so it could be something wrong with the app, and I hope it will be fixed soon. If I want to test the app on a real device, I need to get the official App My Site app on Google Play or in the App Store for iOS. Let me open BlueStacks, which is an Android emulator for Windows, and test it out. I need to search for App My Site and install it. Log in, then click on the app icon. It looks like it has the same responsive issues, so this could be a problem. You know, if the content of a mobile app is not mobile responsive, it's useless. Despite this little problem, the service looks promising and it is easy to use, right? Do you know better alternatives for converting a WordPress website into a mobile app? Give me some names in the comment section below and I will test them in future videos. Keep up the good work and see you in the next video. Cheers!